Hey y'all, Airgun Angie with Gateway to Airguns. This is part 2 of my grip review on the DAR Gen 3. This is in 22 cal, it also comes in 25. Let's grip it. Really quick, I want to say thank you to Gateway to Airguns for making this video possible. Go check them out, guys. www.gatewaytoairguns.org. www.gatewaytoairguns.org. So when I left you guys in part 1, I was testing pellets at 25 yards. Now I took the suggestion of G-Man from YouTube. He's one of the viewers. Thanks, G-Man. And I shot one card with just regular pellets, and then the second card I shot hunting pellets and slugs. So out of the regular pellets, the DAR Gen 3's favorite were the H&N Barracuda 15s. And then the hunting pellets, the Hades, those were one-holer, very awesome. And the slugs, the JSB Knockout MK2s. So those three did the best at 25 yards. Now it's time to take them back to 50 and see how they do. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 5-shot groups for accuracy of each type of ammo, starting first with the H&N Sport Barracuda 15s. Here we go. Oh wow.
733.
Extremely low. Well, since we're hitting the target on the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and aim for the same aim point, which I'm aiming for the top target.
$741. $736.
Oh, it went off to the left. So did that
741.
Got one more. One more.
741.
Okay, here we go.
743. 742. 737. 747. 751.
So after shooting 2 groups of those, these are not a 50-yard pellet. So we're gonna go ahead and say those are a no-go. Let's check out the Hades. That was
851.
good guess.
857. 848. 858. 860.
Yep, that was 5. All right, let's go to the, that was beautiful, by the way. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna do a second shot group at the bottom, even though I'd just love to leave it there because that's gorgeous. See if it can do it again, though.
851. 854. 858. 857. 853.
Wow. A one-holer, guys, just about. That was an absolutely awesome group. So far, those are the favorite, but we have the slugs to check out as well as the hobbies. Hobbies are for velocity, but we might as well check them out for accuracy too, right? But before we do that, let's talk about the 2-stage adjustable trigger. What kind of pull weight am I getting from this out of the box, no adjustments made at all? Okay, so the first one I got 1 pound 4.1 ounces, and the second time I got 1 pound 5.5 ounces. That is nearly a perfect trigger right out the box. But if you guys would like it heavier or even a little lighter, it is adjustable. Okay, back to accuracy testing. We've got the JSB Knockout MK2s up next. All right, 2 5-shot groups. Wow, that was beautiful. I believe that was 5 shots. Oh yeah, okay. Let's do one more 5-shot group. That was actually very, very nice. The target below. The first group was great. Really, really not bad at all. The second group, still not terrible, but they did spread out a little bit, kind of made a little bit of a circle there. So they're not a no-go. I would definitely check them out some more. Now on to the hobbies. These are fast, but are they accurate? All right, targets to the right. I'm gonna aim, okay. Well, let's go ahead and go to the bottom target. Whoa. These are looking like a no-go. Yeah. Yeah. Not good as for accuracy at all. Well, they're fast, all right, but they certainly are not accurate. So those are no go for accuracy, but let me tell you how fast they were. Now, DAR claims a 900 feet per second max velocity with this one. I shot the hobbies. They are a lead pellet weighing at 11.9 grains, very light wet lead pellet. And I got 956 feet per second. So I got more than them. Nana nana boo boo. I love it. Okay, up next, shot count. And there is actually a couple different layers to shot count. Of course, we want to know how many shots do you get per fill, but I also want to know what kind of velocity we're getting from shot 1 to shot whatever, and what kind of accuracy we're getting per mag. So that's what I'm going to test now. And normally I would just show you guys the shot card after it's all said and done, as well as the report for the max velocity and muzzle energy. But this time, you guys gotta see this. Here we go. Starting with the center.
837. 842. 853.
Oh, my nose itches.
847. 843. 849. 845. 847. 845. 842.
Oh my, that was lovely. Just lovely.
Eight hundred 64. 869. 870. 880. 884. 888. 891. 892.
Oh, I did that one.
896.
So for the first shot, I got 837 feet per second. Then halfway through at shot 25, gives you a little bit of a clue there, right? At shot 25, I got 852 feet per second. And then at shot 50, the last shot, I got 896 feet per second. So average velocity from shot 1 to about shot 50, it is about 848 feet per second. That's about 25 foot-pounds of energy. So it's not bad, definitely sufficient for some small game hunting. It's because check out the accuracy from mag 1 to mag 5. Absolutely beautiful. So I'd say that was impressive. Very impressive. Okay, so next question, is this backyard friendly? Is it super, super quiet? Or is it really, really loud? Let's find out. So the testing, I'm gonna do it in front of the muzzle, or at the muzzle. I won't be in front of the muzzle. At the muzzle, from the shooter's perspective, and then 20 yards away. So at the muzzle, I got 81.2 dBs and 90.4. I know, a little bit of a spread, but that's what I got. And then from the shooter's perspective, I got 90.3 and 90.5 dBs. Now let's find out what the squirrels are hearing. At 20 yards away, I got 83.6 and 80.8. The squirrel probably said, oh, a pine cone just fell out the tree. Oh well, I'd say that's backyard friendly. Last test, guys. Offhand shooting. How are we gonna perform offhand? I've got the quadrant target painted all pretty in pink, and I'm gonna see if I can hit that center bowl offhand with the DAR Gen 3 and the Hades. All right, offhand at 25 yards. Let me see how we perform. Oh. Oh, little left. Oh. Got it. Oh. Oh, so close. So very close. Oh. That little dot is quite the booger. I just want to get it one time. I think that's it. I gotta try a couple more shots. I sure like that low left. Again. That was a little bit of a change, right? I think this is the last one. Let me try to stretch my hand out a little bit more. I tried and tried and tried with all of my might. I think I might have got it once. It's a pretty comfortable shooter. I do a heck of a lot better at the bench, but it's still fun to try. Well, guys, I guess that's pretty much it for that. Let's move on to cons and pros. Are there any cons? I really have tried to find some, but guys, none. Absolutely none. I know that's rare, right? No cons. So we'll just go ahead and move on to pros. This has been absolutely impressive. The performance has been great. Now you take a look at this gun and it's not like, wow, this gun looks amazing. There's just something about it that stands out and says, I gotta have it. No, not at all. But when you sit down at the bench and you start shooting it, that's when you really tell, yeah, it definitely does stand out from other air rifles. And this one's gonna cost you about 400 bucks. So it's not a really expensive one either. It's got the wood stock, rubber butt pad, the textured forearm and grip, the 2-stage adjustable, already beautiful trigger, push button safety, the longer handle side lever action, the standard fill port, so you don't need a probe, the air cylinder that fills to 200 bar, that means it's hand pump friendly. That's definitely a plus. The rifled shrouded barrel, it's accurate at 50 yards with the right ammo, 1-holers. That is awesome. It's putting out plenty of power. So whether you want to plink or whether you want to hunt, it's sufficient and great for both. A lot of fun to shoot. It's not often I have an air gun go through the GRiP program and not have a con, so good job, Dynamic Air Rifles. I want to thank you guys for sending this to me. If you guys want to find out more about this rifle or any of their other products, go to dynamicairrifles.com. I would like to take a moment to say thank you to Gateway to Airguns. Thank y'all so much for making these videos possible. If you guys have not checked them out, you really, really should. If you're an air gunner, you like air guns, you like shooting, go check out www.gatewaytoairguns.org. There is something for every air gunner alive. I promise. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm Airgun Angie with Gateway to Airguns. Y'all don't just have a good day, have an awesome one. See ya.